Dictation starts. The learned single judge held that the question whether a notice under Section 167 was necessary in a given case could only be decided by a competent civil court. Since such a decision required an inquiry and a decision whether the suit was in respect of any act touching the business of the society and generally whether Section 167 applied to such a suit. The learned single judge also held that Section 112 of the Act casts a duty on the registrar to grant or refuse leave, and only such an administrative decision can be taken by the registrar. Further, such a limited administrative decision can be taken by the registrar only on considerations germane to the grant or refusal of the leave, and not on consideration which were within the jurisdiction of a competent city civil court. Para. Aggrieved, the respondents preferred an appeal before a division bench of the High Court. The division bench has allowed the appeal and thus upheld the order of the registrar refusing leave to continue the suit on the ground that the suit is not tenable by virtue of failure to give notice under Section 167 of the Cooperative Societies Act. The appellant is thus in appeal. Para. We have heard the learned counsel for the parties. Para. A decision regarding the correctness or otherwise of the view of the division bench must be taken with regard to the relevant provision of the Cooperative Societies Act. It is also necessary to ask if the decision that the suit is not tenable if notice is not given is judicial in nature. Section 167 is preceded by Section 166, which bars the jurisdiction of court in any matter concerned with the winding up and dissolution of the society. While Section 166 in bracket 1 another bracket C, the clear intention of the legislature is to bar a civil court from entertaining any matter concerned with the winding up and dissolution of the society. In order to give effect to this provision, the legislature has enacted Section 167, which makes it mandatory for a plaintiff who intends to institute in respect of an act touching the business of the society to give a clear notice of his intention to sue. The section prohibits a plaintiff from instituting a suit until the expiration of 2 months and after notice in writing has been delivered to the registrar. Over.